Good morning, everyone. I'm going to give you another means of recording videos. This is actually the one that I usually use because it will allow you to record for 15 minutes. So it's called Screencastomatic. So if you go to Google, type in Screencastomatic, click on the website right here. If you're working on a desktop, it will be a download to load the recorder. If you are on a Chromebook, there is an extension that you add for it. You will start recording for free. Launch free recorder. Now remember, if you're doing this for the first time, you'll have a download, but you just follow the boxes and have it download the recorder for you. I'm going to say Open Screen Recorder Launch version 2. And the recorder should launch in just a second. It does take a little bit for the recorder to launch, so you have to be patient. You have the choice with this one of controlling how much it records. So if you can see on my screen, I can bring it in smaller if I don't want to record everything, or I can pull it larger if I need to see the tabs up at the top. So it is completely up to you how much you want to record. You also see this pops up the max time, the size, is picking my voice up through the microphone. This one does not allow you to record audio from the computer, but it will record your voice. So that is one change on this one. You can do webcam or you can do both. So you can have yourself down in the corner and then have it recording the screen. So I'll click on that one this morning to show you what it will look like. So you see down here in the corner, there I am. And so that would be a great way to have you in the picture, but yet you are still focusing on what's on the screen. Or you, like I said, can go straight to webcam or go to screen. So I'm going to take it back to screen. So it will just be recording what is within this box. Here are your controls. You can click record. And it will now be recording in 3, 2, 1, go. I do like that this one counts down. So it is now recording. You see it counting down up here. The microphone is changing a little bit. You know it's picking you up. You can stop. If you wanted to back up to see, or if you want to go forward, if you're in the middle of the video, you can delete it, or you can click done, or you can begin to record again. So it is completely up to you, but there's your little control. I'm going to say done. So here's where you have a couple of options. I've not tried their editor because I usually just do a quick rough video and move on. I tend to do the save and upload. You're welcome to try the quick share. I've not checked it to see if the link works. I do save and upload because I tend to put mine on YouTube. You can save this as a file and it will download it to your computer. You can upload it to Screencastomatic because it will ask you to set up an account. As you can see here, there's my account. Or you can upload to YouTube. So I'm going to say upload to YouTube. This will be the same steps that we did yesterday with our Screencastify. So first thing with title, I'm just going to call this practice recording. So you do need to name it. The more videos you do, the more it's going to be important for you to have your naming. If you wanted to put a description, you could always click on the description and add a description what this video is about. Here is the important part with the rights on Screencastify. Right now the privacy is public. Remember, we're going for unlisted to make sure that we're staying within copyright. So make it unlisted, category education, and it is highlighting my cursor as you see right there. So everything I point to, it's going to highlight my cursor so you know where I'm going on the screen. You would then click publish. This can take a while, the longer your video, and depending on your internet speed. The video I did yesterday that was almost 10 minutes probably took about 10 minutes to upload. So at this point, you need to be patient. It has now uploaded it to YouTube. If I'm wanting to share this link with others, I would click copy link, then say done, use my Control V.